Right?
Hi Tania.
Hi, how are you today?
Good. What about you?
Doing good. So, what did you learn in school today?
Mm, I know. I learned heart about human heart. Can you teach me that today?
Okay, yeah, sure. I can teach you about human heart for you, okay? Learning more about the heart, we should find out about the different functions of the heart and the parts. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, Tate. Let's go ahead. Can you see any particular picture on your screen right now?
Yes, I can see a
What do you
moving
see?
heart. A moving heart.
Okay. Yeah, that's a moving heart. So, basic function of the heart is actually to pump blood, okay?
Okay.
The heart actually pumps blood to different parts of the body. We shall find out what exactly the heart does. Can you see, can you locate the heart for me in this picture?
Yeah, I can. I can.
Where is it?
I'll locate it. I'll locate it in red itself.
Okay, sure.
Here is that.
That's great. That's great. That's the heart. Okay, that's the heart, which is located in the chest region of our body. And you also have two organs on the left and the right side of the heart. Those are the lungs.
Okay.
Okay. So what the heart does? Can you see the red dots and the blue dots moving up and down?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
You see the
Now.
red dots. Okay. The blue dot stands for the impure blood. Okay.
Okay.
And the red dot stands for the pure blood. So basically what the heart does is it collects impure blood from different parts of the body, like the hands, legs, and from the different extent of the body. It collects the impure blood, takes it to the heart, and then it is taken to the lungs for purification. It's taken to the lungs for purification, where the impure blood is actually purified using the help of oxygen. It is purified. Then after that, the pure blood is actually pumped back to the heart, and from the heart it is distributed to the different parts of the body. So the heart pumps out the pure blood and it is taken to the different parts of the body.
Okay, that means
Okay.
the basic function of heart is to pump the blood, isn't it?
Exactly, yes. It is to
Okay.
take the impure blood and take it to the lung, get it purified, bring it back, and then pump the pure blood to the different parts of the body.
Okay,
Okay.
I understood. I understood.
That's great. So let's just move on and find out what are the different parts of the heart. Inside the heart, what do you see?
See, I've got this picture in my textbook,
Okay, so
and
what do you
it's
think of this?
it's very complicated.
It's got lots of names, right? Lots of names,
Yeah.
chambers, names, walls, lots of parts are there. I'll make it simple for you and we shall name it together. Okay? We shall
Okay.
find out together. We should discover what are the different parts of the heart. So
Okay.
here also you see a picture where the impure blood is collected from the different parts of the body. It is taken to one of the chambers of the heart. You see the part?
Yes, yes, I see it.
There are different chambers inside the heart. It's like rooms in your house. You have different chambers. So the impure blood goes to the right chambers of the blood, and then from of the heart, and then from there the blood is taken to the lungs where it is purified. And after the purification happens, the pure blood is taken to the left chambers of the heart. The pure blood. Okay?
Okay, okay,
And from there the pure blood is then distributed to the different parts of the body.
okay,
So impure blood comes inside, it gets purified in the lungs, and then the pure blood is again distributed to the different parts of the body. And we shall also name the different chambers. We should know, right, what are they called? So let's just find out what is called. The upper portion of the heart is of the chamber. The upper chamber is always called as the atrium.
Yes, I remember this. I remember. Since
Okay.
since it is in the right side of the heart, it is called the right atrium.
Exactly. It's in the right side of the heart. It's called the right atrium, and the lower part of the heart is called as the ventricle. Okay,
And it is also known as the right ventricle.
right ventricle. Since it's on the right side of the heart, it's called the right ventricle.
Now,
And
now,
can you? Yeah.
now I will mark
Okay, that's good.
left atrium
Yes.
and right ventricle.
Left ventricle. It's on the left side, right?
Okay, it's
So
the left
both are
side.
called the left atrium and the left ventricle. So okay, that's correct. What you marked is correct. So this is called as the left atrium.
Okay.
And the lower portion, since it's a ventricle and it is on the left side, is called as the left ventricle.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So you've named out the different parts. It was quite simple, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the next picture, you see the blue dots and the red dots. Can you see blue dots and the red dots in this picture?
Yeah, I can.
What does the blue dot stand for? Do you know?
Yeah, I will write it down. I'll write it down.
Okay. The blue dots are actually collected in the right chamber of the heart, right chambers of the heart. The blue dot, and the blue dot stands for the impure blood. That is good, correct. That is impure blood. And do you know what the red dots stand for?
Yeah, I know. I'll write it.
Good. Okay, that's great, Tate. So you understood basically where the pure blood and the impure blood is. The impure blood is in the right side, the right chambers of the heart, and on the left side you have the pure blood. Okay, that is signified by the red dots.
Yeah.
That's great, Tate. And we should also find out what else is there inside the heart. Okay, we can move to the next picture. Let's make it a little bigger for you so that you can get a clear picture. Okay, can you see the blue color?
Yeah.
The blue and the red? Yeah, the blue stands for the impure blood and the red stands for the pure blood. And we can also see something else here. Can you see this particular opening here once opens and closes? Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah. I see it.
So we shall name it for you. It's called a valve, okay?
Yeah, now I remember.
yeah.
It opens only to one side.
Yeah, it opens only downwards, and the valve in the right chamber is known as a tricuspid valve.
Okay.
Tricuspid valve. Okay.
Yeah, the specialty of this is that once it is opened, once it is closed, the blood will not rush back.
Exactly. So the main function of the valve is not to allow the blood to go backwards. Okay. The valve closes off once the blood is inside and the blood cannot go back. But then you see that another valve opens up and there's another opening here. There is also a particular valve which opens towards the lungs. That is where the impure blood has to go for purification. So this particular valve is known as the semilunar valve. It has a particular name which is called semilunar and semilunar valve, and also the semilunar valves open upward. You can see that,
Okay,
right? It opens
that
upward.
that means this is also a semilunar valve, right? This one.
Very good, very smart. Yes, correct. It's also semilunar valve. Okay, that's quite smart of you. So you got two semilunar valves here. One is opening to the lungs, and one is allowing the blood to go out, the purified blood to go to the different parts of the body. Can you see any other valve there?
Yeah, I can. This is the other one.
Yeah, there's another one. Yes, that is in the left chamber of the heart, and so because it's in the left chamber of the heart, it's called as the bicuspid valve, and it allows the blood to come from the lungs. Okay, the purified blood comes through that particular valve. It's called as a bicuspid valve. So that is where we named all the valves.
Okay.
You can get a clearer picture here where you see the valves opening, allowing the blood to come down, and then it doesn't go back. Cannot go back. Okay, Tate. Alright, let's just find out what else is there about the heart. Do you know how many times the heart beats per minute?
I think it's 72 times.
Exactly, 72 times. 72 times per minute, okay? So that is how many times the heart beats per minute. And you also have, do you know how much of blood is pumped each time the heart beats? How much of blood?
I don't know.
It's about 5 liters. 5 liters, okay?
5 liters?
Yes, that's a lot of blood, right? And each time the heart beats, it's like 5 liters of blood is pumped out, and there are 72 times the heart beats per minute. Okay.
Okay.
And do you see the graph here? Do you see something on the below?
Yeah, I saw it.
That is known as the electrocardiogram.
Okay.
Electrocardiogram that actually measures the heartbeat.
Okay.
Okay,
It's the expanded form of ECG, right?
Exactly. It's called ECG, electrocardiogram. Okay.
Okay.
So that is good. So
I've seen it.
you've seen it. You know when a patient is admitted in the hospital,
Yeah,
you can see.
I've seen
You
in
can see a particular
hospitals.
screen. Exactly. You can see it in the hospital. You can see in a particular screen where the heartbeat is measured of the patient. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Tate. So did we learn more about the heart today?
Yeah, now I understood everything about heart. I understood what are the different parts of the heart. I understood what are
Mm-hmm.
the function of heart. Then I also understood the different valves. And
Okay, that's good, Tate. Very good. So we'll meet next time and learn more about the other parts of the body. Okay.
okay,
All right,
okay,
Tate. Take care of
okay,
yourself.
okay,
Yeah.
Tanya,
Have a nice day.
bye.
Yeah. Bye.